So today we will discuss about the anti-tubercular agent. What is anti-tubercular agent? Anti-tubercular drug used in the treatment of tuberculosis. May broadly classified into two categories. That is first line drug. Example of first line drug is isoniazid, ethambutol, pyrazinamide, streptomycin, ethaniomide, and rifampin. Second line drug aminosalicylic acid, cycloserine, capryomycin, and amikacin. So the mechanism of anti-tubercular drug is basic mechanism is to inhibit the mycolic acid synthesis, which is major or important component of the mycobacterial cell wall. So by inhibiting the mycolic acid synthesis, the cell wall also inhibited, bacterial cell wall synthesis also inhibited. So that's why the anti-tubercular drug mainly if they inhibit the biosynthesis of the mycolic acid. Next, drugs comes under the anti-tubercular agents. First drug is isoniazid. Synthesis of isoniazid. Synthesis of isoniazid is when ethyl isoniacotinate react with hydrogen hydrate in the presence of ethanol, so it gives isoniazid. So the what is the uses of it is single step reaction, and what is the uses of isoniazid used alone or in combination with other drugs in tuberculosis. Second, second drug is para-aminosalicylic acid. So the para-aminosalicylic acid is synthesized from ethanoic acid. Synthesized from the ethanoic acid when react with HNO3 and H2SO4. So it form 2-amino 4-nitrobenzoic acid. Benzoic acid. After that it is react with NaNO2 in presence of boiling water. So NH2 group is reduces to alcohol and produces 2-hydroxy 4-nitrobenzoic acid. After reduction with in presence of tin hydrochloride, nitro group is reduces into amino group and produces final structure of para-aminosalicylic acid. Para-aminosalicylic acid is also used as a tubercular agent, and the mechanism of para-aminosalicylic acid is same as isoniazid, that it is also inhibit the mycolic acid biosynthesis. Next drug is ethionamide. Ethionamide is a nicotinamide derivative which is antibacterial activity used to treat tuberculosis. The structure of ethionamide is that after that the mechanism of action is similar as isoniazid. It is also inhibit the mycolic acid biosynthesis. After that, pyrazinamide. Pyrazinamide is also also an anti-tubercular agent. It is used with other medication to treat tuberculosis. The mechanism of action of pyrazinamide is pyrazinamide in the presence of mycobacterial pyrazinamidase enzyme converted to pyrazinoic acid. This acid disrupts the microbacterial cell membrane and inhibit the cell wall synthesis. So the pyrazinic acid is main or limiting step of the synthesis or to inhibit the synthesis of mycobacterial cell wall. Pyrazinamide is also anti-tubercular drug. What is the other drug is anti-tubercular antibiotics is rifampicin. Rifampicin is also known as rifampin. So is an antibiotic used to treat several type of bacterial infection including tuberculosis, leprosy disease. Rifampin inhibit. So mechanism of rifampin, this is the structure of rifampin, and next one is the mechanism of rifampin. Rifampin inhibit the bacterial DNA dependent RNA polymerase enzyme. So for this rifampin direct block elongation of the RNA. Next drug is rifabutin. Rifabutin is a rifamycin antibiotic that is similar in structure and activity of rifampin. So the therapeutic uses of rifabutin in the prevention of Mycobacterium avium complex disease in patient with advanced HIV infection. So that is the structure of the rifabutin, and mechanism is as same as rifampin. That is, it is also facilitating or direct block the elongation of the RNA. Next, the uses of rifabutin. Tuberculosis is in HIV infected patient where receiving who are receiving concurrent antiretroviral therapy used rifampin or rifabutin. Next drug is cycloserine. Cycloserine is an antibiotic by inhibiting cell wall biosynthesis in bacteria. That is the structure of the cycloserine. It is cyclic analog of the D-alanine. What is the mechanism of the cycloserine? Is prevent the addition of D-alanine residue to initial tripeptide side chain on the N-acetyl uramic acid by competitive inhibition. So what happened? It inhibit the mycobacterial cell wall synthesis. So the cycloserine mainly prevent the addition of D-alanine residue to initial tripeptide side chain this on N-acetyl muramic acid by competitive inhibition. Therapeutic uses also a tuberculosis drug or tubercular drug. Streptomycin is an aminoglycoside antibiotic produced by the soil actinomyces Streptomyces gracilis. That is, the mechanism of streptomycin bind to 30S ribosome subunit and disrupt the initiation and elongation of the protein synthesis. Therapeutic uses tuberculosis as a tuberculosis agent, endocarditis used also in the treatment of endocarditis, brucellosis, tularemia, and rat bite fever. Next drug is capreomycin sulfate. The structure of capreomycin sulfate is it is an antibiotic which is given in combination with other antibiotics for the treatment of tuberculosis. Mechanism of capreomycin is also inhibit the peptide protein synthesis so that the cell wall synthesis inhibit and produces their antitubercular action. Thank you.